Hello friends, this is me Arjun, and today I'm. This is my fifth day of speaking English, of speaking practice, and now today I'm gonna talk about the reading of the what is the benefit of reading books. So, well, I'm a student and I'm learning this language, so this is important to practice daily of speaking English. Otherwise, you're gonna fail on this journey because it's all about this practice. You can skip, like you can skip writing, you can skip learning grammar, but you can't skip speaking English. If you will skip it, then do you are not gonna learn this language because it's necessary to practice every day. So now let's get into the point. I will be discussing about what's the importance of reading books. So well, one day I was given a chance to speak the importance of the books as in my coaching institute, because I go to I attend my classes of speaking English. So I was given a chance to speak the importance of the reading book. So I performed there. So I what I performed there today I'm gonna share with you. So well, as we know, speaking English is a skill, is a language. You can speak English, but if I talk about my native language in Hindi, and if you give me a topic to speak, like if you say to me that tell me please about life in Hindi. So even if I know very good Hindi language in a good way, but I can't deliver my message. I can't narrate my thoughts. I can't express my thoughts in even in Hindi, because I do not have knowledge. I do not have information in my mind. So it's all about information. It's not about just speaking English. You will be speaking English, but if you do not have knowledge, then you can't speak on a topic. So when I was given the chance to speak the importance of books, so I performed there like this. I said that if you have the habit of reading books, so it is like you have a, a dream. I'm not talking about like dream to be an engineer, to be a IAS, to be an IAS and IPS. Nothing. I'm talking about if you are reading books, that's mean you have dream to get information. You have dream to get knowledge. Once you start reading books, so you are gonna develop your intellectuality to speak in every topic, because book are there's a quote that books are the best friend of ours. बुक यानी किताबें हमारी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त होती हैं. So I perceive this thing because I have read till now I have read one book and I am reading another book. This is my second book what I am reading, and I will show you. Just wait. So I hope you know about this book. This. So this is the book is named that The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne. So it tell us about the law of attraction. How does law of attraction do the work? So well, when I was reading first book and I just wait, that my first book which I read, which I've read. So it name is this name is Ikigai, the Japanese secret to long life and happy life. So when I was reading this first book, Ikigai book, so I have found information related to happy life, related to long life, and even I have read so many examples. Like there's a city in Japan is called Okinawa, where people live their life around above 100 years. They live more than one decade. So now if you give me chance to speak, like what's the happy life, what is long life, I can speak because I have information. or and from where did I get this information? By book, from the books, with the help of books. So that's why book, if you start reading books, that's mean you are gonna develop your information, intellectuality to give anything, to speak in any topic, as well as you are gonna develop a habit of speaking English. Because when you read a text, when you go through a text, so somehow it leaves a sign in your mind. So if you practice by reading books every day, if you practice listening like a summary of books on YouTube and on social media every day, so you are gonna develop your information, as well as you are gonna develop your speaking English. Because one the first book that I saw recently, that I saw you recently, it helped me a lot in my with my journey, in my journey. When first time I was given a chance to speak, I couldn't speak because I did not have any information about the book. Even I was, I could speak little bit. I am not saying, I would not say that I like I am speaking now. I couldn't speak earlier. And another thing, that I did not have knowledge, so because of those things I couldn't express a single thought. And I got silent. You know I was silent over there. And my classmates said to me that try to speak, but I couldn't, because I wanted to do that, but I couldn't, because I did not have any single thought in my mind. And now, if someone says to me, like, I have read about discipline, I have read about life, I have read about the law of attraction, how the law of attraction works. Like, let me give you an example. Law of attraction. So what is the law of attraction exactly? First of all, it's like a, it's like a rule. It's nature rule. It's nature rule, that if you want something, if you want to achieve in your life, so first of all you have to visualize, or you have to feel that like you have already those things. For example, if I talk about, I want a car. So first of all I have to visualize the pictures of car, which one I want, you know, and this, and with the feelings of like by with the feelings of color, like name, model, and I will see running this car in my on the road in my mind. I will see each and everything happening in my mind. You know, not in my mind. Like I was when I would have this car, then what I will do with it, what I will do by it. So I will see, or I will feel each and every thoughts in my mind. So that's how I'm visualizing. And next term is that believe. Believe means, if you have to believe that you have got already what you want. Like if I speak, if now I was giving you example of car, so you have to believe that you have got that car already. Now you are, you are cleaning your car, you are washing your car, you are driving, you are taking the key and you are unlocking your car. So that's how you have to believe that, like, you have everything already, you have got this, you have got the car. Third thing is that when you will do this two thing, visualize and believe, the second thing is that faith. Faith means you have to believe. Faith, this is something different. Believe is that you have to you have a trust on something. But faith is that you have a thing in, there's no doubt, there's no exceptions in it, it is real. So that is called faith. So the third thing is that you have faith. You should, you would have faith, by which you can emit the frequency to the universe, and universe will bring all those thoughts you visualize in your mind. So this is the process, law of attraction. First you have to visualize, then you have to believe, the third thing you will receive the things. So when you will do these all kind of things, so your mind emit or radiate radiates a frequency to the universe, and universe will start working to bringing things back you. So this is all about law of attraction. So now I think I've spoken for 2 or 3 minutes, but I can speak more than 5 minutes on this topic, law of attraction, because I've read it about it, and even I can speak around 10 minutes because I have read about it. So if you want to speak in any topic, so it's very important to read, to get information, to gather information, to gather knowledge related to those topic. And in this process, book are gonna help you in this process. Book is something, and book, we say that book are best friends. So it is said that book save your time, book save your books save your age, books save your incident. For example, if you are reading a book related to life lessons, so the man who have written that book, he shared each and everything with whom happened those things, things that happened with whom he will share, and he will tell you each and everything in in like in in a in a explained manner. He will what is called, there is a word like demonstrate. He will demonstrate with examples. So when you read a book, first of all, you are going to save your time, because the person who has written that book, he has experienced a lot of things, and he has spent his life to experience those all things, and he put all the things in just one book. Or you are going to take that experience just in 5 pages, just in 2 or 3 or 4 or even it depends on you how much time do you take to read that book. So it depends on you, but it will share that experience 5 to 10 or 15 pages. So like in just 14 years, 40 years, in just 30th what he experienced, he will share each and everything, and the experience of 30 years, the experience of 30 years you are going to take just in a book, in 1 month, and in 15 days, even in 2 months, 3 months, it depends on you. So reading books really help us. And now I'm gonna end up my talk with a thing that start reading. It will help you not only speaking English, as well you're gathering information, gathering knowledge. So best of all, and I hope you will start reading book. Thank you.